In this video, I'll show you how to program universal remote for LG TV. Step 1. Turn on your LG TV. Make sure your LG TV is powered on. Confirm the universal remote has fresh batteries. Point the universal remote at the TV to begin programming. Step 2. Enter programming mode. Press and hold the TV button on the universal remote. While holding the TV button, press and hold the power button until the TV turns off. Release both buttons. Step 3. Test the remote. Test the universal remote by adjusting the volume or turning the TV on or off. If it doesn't work, repeat the process or consult the remote's manual. Once working, save your settings and enjoy controlling your LG TV with your universal remote. And that's how you use your universal remote with LG TV. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please subscribe. And if you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments down below.